Welcome to Transform Your Space for Baby, and congratulations on your exciting journey ahead. I'm honored that you chose to let me be part of this precious time in your life. My name is Mina Yang. I am a certified feng shui and design consultant, a mother of two children, a 10-year-old boy and a 5-year-old girl, whom you'll be seeing a lot of in these videos. Their arrival changed my life totally and completely. I wish that I had known then what I know now. So I thought I would take at least the knowledge I have about designing spaces, which is my area of expertise, and bundle it up into a neat little package to help out those of you who are about to embark on the most stressful and blissful journey of your life. I can remember what it was like awaiting the arrival of each baby, and I imagine you experiencing some of those feelings: excitement, nervousness, and a great big love for someone you haven't even met yet. You're probably looking at baby sites with their pictures of lovely nurseries and an endless array of cute baby products and wondering what you really need and can you afford it all. So in this course, I'm going to demystify baby spaces and help you to prepare your home for the new addition to the family. There is a lot to figure out as new parents, but at least your home will be ready. And if you have already brought home the baby, don't despair. Babies can't really see beyond a few feet ahead of them in the first few months anyway, and they don't even need a crib at the very start. Much of what I discuss in this course becomes more relevant in a few months into the baby's life, so you still have time. Let me first give you an overview of the course. I divided the material into two modules, the baby's room and the rest of the house. As you can see, we spend the first module going over baby gear for the baby room, decoration, and preview some of the changes that happen as babies grow out of babyhood. In the second module, we discuss other areas that babies spend time in outside of their room. And then the last two parts are really for the parents, since new parents need tender loving care just as much as babies. I would advise going through the entire course from beginning to end and then returning to earlier sections as needed so that you can anticipate what's coming as your baby grows in and out of new phases. Before we get into each topic, I want to explain my design philosophy for parents. My recommendations in this course are based on what I call the C's ranking of priorities. As you can see on the slide, safety is at the very top. Our most important responsibility as parents is to keep our children safe and healthy, and that is a more awesome responsibility than we can imagine before our babies arrive. So I prioritize safety over all other considerations in the rest of the course. This often means that style, which is listed last, is compromised for the sake of safety. Next are ease and economy, and sometimes these two are interchangeable in the order of priorities. If we have generous budgets, we can purchase items that make parenting tasks somewhat easier. Having a video monitor, for example, can buy us peace of mind when we're out of earshot from the baby, but it can be an additional and burdensome expense. Or buying a more expensive crib with adjustable height settings can ease some of the back strain of lifting the baby in and out of the crib. Therefore, I provide tips for both greater ease and economy, and you choose which is more of a priority for you. Know that parenting is hard work, physically, mentally, and emotionally, and you should strive to find some ease wherever you can, but not if it causes financial strain. Style is certainly a consideration, but only after safety, ease, and economy have already been addressed. In the lecture on decorating the baby's room, we will be discussing style much more extensively, but even with decorating, safety, ease, and economy will factor into the discussion. There are several resources beyond the video lectures provided with this course. I have populated my Pinterest boards with hundreds of pins to let you see a wide array of styles and designs for your baby rooms and more. I will be referring to specific boards throughout the course. I started my Facebook group so that people who are reworking their space have a community with whom to share their ideas, frustrations, and challenges. Please sign up. I'm providing a budget spreadsheet template in Google Sheet, as well as an Excel sheet to enable you to keep track of your expenses. It's easy to let our spending get out of control when we're transforming a space. Instead of stressing out about money, you should be focusing on your baby during this precious time. Always enter your expenditures and tally them up once a week or every 2 weeks to be on top of your budget. This spreadsheet will give you important information about what you can afford, what you can do without. Please download the attached PDF with a list of vendors, websites, and products that I mentioned in the class. including the sites mentioned on this slide. You might want to bookmark my Pinterest board and Facebook group for easy access during the course. If you would like more hand-holding through this process, I am available to work with you one-on-one. At any time while going through the videos, feel free to contact me through my website to set up your complimentary half-hour video call to see if you might want to work with me. In the following videos, I've laid out the important issues parents should consider in preparing their homes so you can relax and enjoy, knowing that you're already doing a great job as parents. See you in Module 1, Part 1.